The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch 447 effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch affects the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, Winnebago, Grundy and Will. This means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in the area. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or visit our website for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KWest 039 Chicago. Severe weather is a code.